Are you tired of dealing with flimsy tool bags that just don't last? Introducing the Tradesman Hardware XL Tool Bag, which is built with heavy-duty materials and reinforced stitching. It features a water-resistant, flame-retardant vinyl, plus 17 pockets for maximum organization. Enjoy the advantage of comfort and durability on every job site. For added safety, it's high visibility with reflective tape and secure lockable zippers. Shop the Tradesman Hardware XL Tool Bag online and avail a 12-month warranty. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to www.topdogtoolbags.com.au and place your order now.